I'd like to start off by showing you this map. It shows you the tribes and the different places they went. Ham, Shem, and Japheth. And as you can see, Ham and Shem stayed by Africa, while Japheth was way out there in the middle of fuckville nowhere. Matter of fact, let me show you this. I don't know if you can see it that well. But basically, the tribes that are Ham and Shem are the tribes that were in Africa. It shows you that blacks and Arabs have a similar ancestry before the guys of Japheth came down from the Caucasus Mountains and started invading, and Persians, the Syrians, etc. You know, and the Europeans, the Romans, etc., and the Greeks, and they come down and through the Mediterranean Sea, and they start invading, they start mixing with the DNA here. But the original tribes, you fools, Ham and Shem, we are talking about Africans and Middle Easterners. If put over here, Canaan. Okay, look at what the fuck I'm talking about, fools. I know you can't really see well what I'm saying. We're talking about Jordan, and we're talking about Syria and Israel, and where Babylon was, and Assyria, and okay, we're talking about this kind of fucking shit, okay? In Arabia, Joktan right here. Okay, we have the Syrians over here, and we have the Canaanites. Okay, so what do you notice about this thing? Is that the Europeans are the green ones. Gomer, Tagarma. Okay? These are the ancestors of the Europeans, you fools. Black African history. Ham and Shem. The Amorites, the Canaanites, the Philistines. Mizraim, Put. Okay? What are we talking about here? Now, do I have to fucking read it from the fucking notes? Obviously, yeah, Mizraim, Put, Canaanite, the Philistines, okay? But the point fucking is that the original peoples, even the history of Babylon, we talk about the Amorites, we talk about Chaldea and Ur and Abraham, okay? We have Ashkenaz, remember the Ashkenazi, and the Khazarian king that converted to Judaism I was talking about in Illuminati 2 or 3. Now, you have to understand that in Cyprus, in Greece, okay, these are the people with the spiritual deficiency, because where were they not? Whose land did they not have? When the 3 children of Noah spread out, where were the woods, and why are they called the woods? They're either in an island in the shitfield nowhere, not knowing what the fuck is going on, or in the mountains not knowing what the fuck is going on. So at best, you cavemen did not know what's going on according to the top Christian scholars, according to the best research of scholars, and according to the top brain surgeons in the world's scholarly research, with a few slip of words and a few minor mistakes that are irrelevant to the bigger picture. The bloodline of Gad and the lost tribes was Egyptian. That's why they're right by Amun. That's why the Egyptians named their fucking units after gods. Amun unit, Ra unit. Understand? Oh, it's very not Ra. The vowels are interchangeable, you fool.